In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a connection on LinkedIn. So, if you no longer want someone to be part of your LinkedIn network, just follow these simple steps. First, open the LinkedIn app or go to the LinkedIn website and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on My Network from the bottom menu if you're using the mobile app. If you're on a computer, click on My Network from the top navigation bar. Now select Manage My Network. Now select Connections to view your complete list of LinkedIn connections. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the person you want to remove. Once you've found them, tap on their profile to open it. On their profile page, tap the More button or the three dots icon. A menu will appear with several options. Select Remove Connection. LinkedIn will ask you to confirm your decision. Tap Remove to continue. The person will immediately be removed from your LinkedIn network. They will not receive a notification that you removed them as a connection. If you change your mind later, you can always send them a new connection request. And that's how to remove a connection on LinkedIn. If you found this guide helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing for more LinkedIn tutorials and tips.